Tell me why I entered the kitchen like a whole chef dancing. This is because I already knew that this meal will be wonderful. Hello lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming full video of how you can prepare your boiled yam and make a different egg sauce out of the regular sauce you always prepare. Come with me, let's do this together. First thing first, let's deal with this yam. I cut it, showed you guys, because yes, presentation matters even before cooking. I'm not about to stress myself peeling everything on camera, oh. But trust me, I got everything nicely peeled and sliced. Now it's time for us to wash the yam. Quick wash because clean food, clean skin, good life. In a pot, I added water, cold water. Time to put the yam in the pot. Into the pot it goes. Now we added salt. And now we cover and allow it do its thing. Alright guys, quick short story. I remember when growing up, when we want to cook yam like this, we cut it with the back and then we cook it. So when the yam is ready, that's when you now start removing the back. And remember, it will be very hot at that time. Please don't judge me. The spinach came straight from the freezer. But watch how I transform it. So back to the story. Before you now finish cutting that hot yam, peeling the hot yam, you now pan pepper and then put it into oil, inside oil. Remember, it's yam and oil. Before you now start eating. By then, hunger don't show you shaggy. Making this sauce, I cracked 6 eggs because we are not here to play. Protein on protein. So feel free to use as much egg as you want. In this my big pot, I allow it to dry. I put oil, the oil heated. I added onion and immediately the kitchen starts smelling like money. I stirred everything together to combine. Next, I added my shrimp. Guys, this is where things begin to get serious. So after adding the shrimp, I stir it so that it will mix because this shrimp is fresh. So I am cooking it with the oil I'm using to seasoning the sauce. Test check, and yes, we are on the right track. Thumbs up. This time I stir again and then I covered to allow it to cook for few minutes. And now it's time to introduce the spinach. See that color? That is what we call balanced. Guys, look at this goodness. If your food is not looking like this, what are you doing? My goodness. And trust me, this dance that I'm dancing, that is to tell you that the food is top notch. So it's about that time we'll introduce our shrimp. You know, shrimp are soft. So we have to put it and then we'll stir and allow it to simmer for a few more minutes. My goodness, guys, look at that. Just look at the pot. This one is already 100 over 100. So lovers, now is the real magic. Pour it in the egg and just watch everything come together beautifully. Now at this point, you really want to lower your heat a little because we are not trying to rush perfection. Look at that texture already. Everything is blending in so nicely. Nothing is fighting each other. Just pure harmony. And this is the part where you have to be patient. Don't just rush and start turning everything anyhow. Let the eggs settle properly into the sauce. You see how it's taken gradually? That's exactly what we want. At this stage, your kitchen will be smelling so good. Like if someone walk in now, just know they are not living without food. Honestly, meals like this don't even need too much stress. Simple ingredients, but the outcome premium. And if you have been watching up to now, just know you're about to see the best part. So, lovers, Plating the food, yam is ready, soft and perfect. And that sauce on top, like, you mean it? Yeah, this is right here. This is why I enter the kitchen dancing. If you've watched this far, drop my love, comment thank you, and follow for more detailed video like this.